that's good.
You have got to be kidding me! Officer Emma,
Yes?
your report has 17 spelling mistakes.
No, it doesn't.
I checked! I'm your new grammar officer!
Oh, that's good.
You have got to be kidding me! Oh, back up! You can't make me speak! I want my lawyer!
You have the right to remain silent, Captain. Anything you say can be used against you.
Remain silent! Yes! I want to be loud! People let me be quiet! I see you.
See what?
Tiny glowing rectangle of distraction.
It's just one message!
One message becomes 4 hours! Eyes up. Feathers watching.
Who's that like?
Yes,
Wreck!
that's already a promotion.
Back darkness station!
You're impossible.
Exactly why you like me.
Who's that like?
Yes,
Wreck!
that's already a promotion.
Back darkness station!
Leadership skill.
You're impossible.
Exactly why you like me.